My name is Craig Maynard, and I'm an instructor here at SAIT on faculty with the Mechanical Engineering Technology program. I'm their robotics and automation instructor, along with Daniel Barrett. And I'm also a first senior mentor for the first robotics competition coming up. And right now we're in day 2 of the FRC SAIT Robot in 3 days. So what we're trying to do here is build in 3 days what the high school students are going to be building over a course of 6 weeks. This year's competition with the Steamworks competition, First Robotics, has been revealed a couple days ago. All our parts have been provided for us, and now all of our skilled talent, alumni and instructors here at SAIT are using proper design methodologies to try to put together a competitive robot while documenting everything and making that available to all the teams to help support their cause. Well, the biggest challenge we have is time. We have to make sure that these robots are done within the 3 days. So we're working day and night. People have been working all, 36 hours straight now. So they're getting a little tired. A lot of energy drinks going down, a lot of coffee. Time's one challenge. Another challenge is we have to keep the robot real. We have to make it something that's doable by a basic team, an elementary team. So we can't make it overly complicated, but we have to make it effective. So this has to be a robot that could win. It could be a point gathering robot that improves in the ranks and does well in the competition. So it's a balance between simplicity and effectiveness. Well, there's many ways of scoring points. That's the cool thing about First Robotics. There's lots of strategies. The robots have to feed fuel pellets into a boiler, and there's 2 ways of getting the fuel pellets in. If you get it in the high end of the boiler, you get more points than the lower end. The robots also have to deliver gears to the airship, and the more gears is delivered, the more points the robots get. There's major points for the robot at the end of the competition. There's an end game. At the end of the competition, if the robots can find a hanging rope by the airship, grab a hold of it, and lift its 200 pounds 4 feet off the ground, there's a lot of points for that too. Part of the competition is autonomous, which means the robots run entirely by their own program and their own motivation. And extra points are generated if you can work in that period of time. Any points gathered in that period give you a lot of points. I'm very excited about it. The basic platform's up, the control system's now working and operating, the robot's rolling. The students are now trying to develop the plan for the ball storage and retrieval and dispensing mechanism, but they're doing that all in SolidWorks, a 3-dimensional CAD modeling package. So all of the robot is coming very quickly together in the virtual world, and once that's working 100% modeled, then we'll quickly fabricate the finished product. The First Robotics Society, First FRC West, has got over 50 teams coming to the competition from all across the world. We have teams from China, Mexico, all across the States. There was one from Israel last year. It's huge international competition, and we've got a lot of rookie teams right here in Western Canada coming up as well. And Robot in 3 days is working on one robot right now, but we also have some other teams that have kind of joined in with us, and I can see them working on robots at the same time of their own design.